Hi guys, welcome back to this channel, Big Jonah. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to design a restaurant flyer using AI, and it is 100% free. You don't need to have any skill in graphic design before you be able to do this. Yes, you don't need to know how to use CorelDRAW or Photoshop before you can do this. All you need is just a well-structured prompt. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to write a good prompt in order for you to get your restaurant flyer done successfully. So make sure to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. You know I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, for you to do this, head over to Chatgpt. As you can see, here's my Chatgpt. Head over to Chatgpt, click it. So the first thing that you are going to do is to write a detailed prompt of the design that you want to create. You want to create a restaurant flyer, right? So the question now is that, how do you write the prompt? Do you understand? Now let me tell you something today. Take note of this. You must not know how to write a proper prompt before you be able to create any design. Do you understand? You must not know how to write a prompt. Chatgpt can help you to write the prompt. Do you understand? You may ask how. Write a detailed description of the design that you want to create. Picture the design in your head and then go ahead, write everything that you need on the design. Describe it to Chatgpt and then you now tell Chatgpt to act as a prompt engineer and optimize that prompt for you. With that, Chatgpt is going to optimize that your prompt for you and write it in a better version, a better way, and you are going to get a perfect result. Do you understand? If you have been watching my video, you will understand what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, now I want to design a restaurant flyer. What I have to do now is to write the description of the flyer that I want to create. Do you understand? Go ahead and write the description. Watch me as I'm going to do it. Vivid and okay guys, as you can see, here's my own description of the flyer that I want to create. This is my own understanding of the flyer. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to tell Chatgpt to act as a prompt engineer and optimize this prompt for me. With that, Chatgpt is going to rewrite a new version of this my prompt for me in a better way, and then I will just have to go ahead and copy that one that Chatgpt writes and edit it to fit what I want, and then I'll head over to any image generating application and create my design. So now see what I'm going to write. Okay, as you can see, I tell Chatgpt act as a prompt engineer, optimize this prompt for me in order to get a better result. So with this, Chatgpt is going to optimize my prompt for me very well. So just go ahead and hit OK. Okay, as you can see, Chatgpt have rewrite a new version of this my prompt for me. This prompt is well structured than the one that I write. Do you understand? This one is well structured. So all you have to do now is to go ahead and copy this one that Chatgpt write and then paste it. And then edit it to fit what you want. Remove anything that you don't want and add anything that you want there. Okay, this color shouldn't be this way. Go ahead and change it. Okay, this part shouldn't be here. Go ahead and delete it. And then after you edit it to fit what you want, go ahead and copy it. Do you understand? Go ahead, select everything and copy it, and then open a fresh page and then go ahead and paste that prompt that you copied. Do you understand? That your own version that you copied. Do you understand? Go ahead and paste it here. Okay, as you can see, and then go ahead and hit OK. Okay, now let's watch and see the magic from Chatgpt. Do you understand? Okay, as you can see, look at the result. Wow, this is Homson guy. Look at that. Wow, this is nice. Look at the prompt. As you can see, look at the prompt. Look at the design. Isn't this Homson? Guys, this is nice. This is 2-ray, man. You see? Now let me open it so that you see. Now look at the design. Do you understand? This is perfect. This is what you want and we got it, right? This prompt is actually a template. If you copy this prompt from here, head over to image generating application like Midjourney, Dell, or Gemini, or Google Image FX, you are going to get the same result. Do you understand? That is why I call it a template. Okay, do you know one thing? Let's copy this prompt and head over to other image generating application. Go ahead and copy your prompt and then let's try Gemini and see. Yes, let's try Gemini. Gemini is just like Chatgpt, but it's owned by Google. As you can see, here's Gemini. Go ahead and click it. Okay guys, here we are on Gemini. So just go ahead and paste your prompt. Do you understand? Your prompt, go ahead and paste it. Okay, now and then go ahead and hit generate. Let's see how the design is going to look like on Gemini. Do you understand? And then we are going to choose the one that is best, either Gemini or Chatgpt or Google Image FX. Do you understand? Let's see the result from Gemini. Okay guy, look at that. You see? it's almost the same. It's almost the same thing. Do you understand? Look at it. You see, but this is why I call this prompt a template. It is a prompt template. Do you understand? But if you look very well, the size of the image is just like a square. That's the downside about Gemini. Do you understand? Gemini only generate this size of image. Do you understand? Like a square. They're still working on that. Gemini can also generate video also. I'm going to teach you that. I'm going to be walking you through that, but not on this video. So make sure to pay very close attention. Gemini can generate a very good video for advertisement, for a company, for anything. Do you understand? I'm going to be teaching you that. So make sure you turn on notification bell. Follow me back to back on this channel, and you are going to learn a lot about AI. Do you understand? Okay, let's try out this prompt on ImageFX also. Yes, on Google ImageFX, and let's compare the result. Do you understand? Search for Google ImageFX. Okay, as you can see here, we are on Google ImageFX. One thing about Google ImageFX is that you can choose your resolution. Come to this setting, choose your resolution to portrait. It depends on how you want the design, the resolution to be like, and then go ahead and paste your prompt, that same prompt, and then hit generate. Okay, now let's watch and see the magic from Gemini also. Let's see the one that generates the best design. Okay, wow, this is nice. Look at that. Wow. You see, this is why I call this prompt a template. Do you understand? Look at that. This is nice, guys. This is nice. Perfect. This is what you want, and we got it right. So you can just go ahead and choose any one that you like. Do you understand? So let me just choose this one. Let me choose this one. Okay, now in comparison, let's look at it. This one is from Chatgpt, this one is from Gemini, and this one is from Google ImageFX. Which image generating application generate the best design for us? Okay guys, another quick example. For this second example, let's be snappy with it. I believe we all understand what we are doing here. Do you understand? Okay, just go ahead and write a detailed description of the flyer that you want to create. Do you understand? Here's my own detailed description of the flyer that I want to create. What I have to do now is to tell Chatgpt to act as a prompt engineer and optimize this prompt for me. From the first example, I believe we all understand what I want to do, right? See what I tell Chatgpt: act as a prompt engineer, optimize this prompt for me to get a better result. So with this, Chatgpt is going to write a new version of this by prompt for me in a better way, and with that I'm going to get a better result. Do you understand? Just like the first one that we did. Okay, so now just go ahead and hit OK, and as you can see, Chatgpt is optimizing this prompt for me very well. If you look at this one very well, it's a very structured prompt. Do you understand? This one is well structured than my own prompt. Do you understand? So that's the essence of telling Chatgpt to act as a prompt engineer. Chatgpt understands this better. So all you have to do now is to go ahead, copy this particular prompt that Chatgpt write and edit it to fit what you want. Okay, this one I don't want it there. Remove it, add what you want, and remove what you don't want there. Do you understand? Okay, this one shouldn't be here, so I'm going to remove it. Remove what you don't want and add what you want. Do you understand? Remove all these things. Okay, now I've edited this prompt to fit what I want. All I have to do now is to copy this particular one. Okay, copy this one and then open a fresh page. Okay, on a fresh page, go ahead and paste your prompt. Okay, paste it and then go ahead and hit generate. Hit OK. Okay, now let's watch and see the magic from Chatgpt. Okay, look at my prompt. I want to design a burger flyer. Do you understand? So if you look at my prompt, look at the way I structure it. Create a vibrant, bold, fast flyer, blah blah blah. In the center, place a realistic, juicy double cheeseburger. Do you understand? Remember, it's Chatgpt that optimized this prompt for me. It's Chatgpt that structured it for me very well. What I did was to just describe what I want to create, and then Chatgpt optimized the prompt for me. Chatgpt structured it very well. And now let's watch and see the result from Chatgpt. Okay. Wow, this is nice. Wow, look at that. Wow, using this prompt. Do you understand? Look at the prompt. See? Wow, Chatgpt actually structured this prompt perfectly, and that is why we are able to get this result. Look at the result. Isn't this handsome guy? Look at this. this is what we want and we got it right. Do you understand? The prompt, the design. Okay, now guys, let's test this particular prompt on other image generating application also, if we are going to get this result. Do you understand? Let's head over to Gemini and Google Image FS and see the result and see why I call this prompt a template. Okay, here we are on Gemini. Go ahead and paste your prompt. Do you understand? Paste your prompt. Now let's watch and see the magic from Gemini also. Okay, guy. Wow. I think this one is good though. Guy, look at that. This is awesome. Wow. Gemini actually did a very great job, but just like the resolution, do you understand, the size? Wow, let's try Google Image FX. Do you understand? Okay guys, here we are on Google Image FX. Always remember to change your resolution. Do you understand? Change it to portrait and then go ahead, input your prompt. Okay, and go ahead and hit generate. Let's watch and see the magic from Google Image FS. Wow, look at that. Wow, like everything is just great. Look at it. Okay, look at that. Wow, this is so nice. This is so cool. Okay, so just go ahead and select anyone. You understand? I'll select this one. In comparison, which one do you think generate the best design? Look at this one from Chatgpt. Look at this one from Gemini. Look at this one from Google Image FS. Which one generate the best design? And look at the first design: Chatgpt, Gemini, Google Image FX. Now tell me in the comment section, which application do you think generate the best design? So this is basically how to design a restaurant flyer using AI. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and like the video, and don't forget to drop a comment. Thank you so much. I'm Big Jonah, as per usual friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.